Hello, and welcome to this guide on how to earn money online in 2024. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, so do opportunities for generating income from the comfort of your own home or, really, anywhere with an internet connection. From freelancing and e-commerce to content creation and online tutoring, the possibilities are as diverse as they are abundant. The key is to find what aligns with your skills and interests, and then harness the power of the internet to reach a global market. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or considering a full-time gig, going digital offers flexibility and potential for growth that traditional jobs often can't match. And the best part? You don't need a degree in computer science or a hefty startup capital to get started. With the right tools and mindset, anyone can start earning money online. Stay tuned as we delve into 10 easy ways to make this happen for you in 2024. The first method to earn money online is through freelancing. This broad field encompasses a variety of skills, from writing and graphic design to virtual assistants. Let's start with freelance writing. It's an excellent way for those with a knack for words to earn a living. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are treasure troves for writing gigs. From blog posts and articles to technical writing and copywriting, there's a demand for all sorts of written content. To build a successful freelance writing career, it's crucial to hone your skills, build a strong portfolio, and get comfortable with pitching your services. Next up is graphic design and creative services. With businesses increasingly moving online, there's a growing demand for graphic designers to create visually appealing content. Websites such as 99 Designs and Dribbble are great platforms to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. To stand out in this field, it's essential to keep up with design trends, develop a distinctive style, and learn how to market your skills effectively. Finally, let's talk about virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you'll be providing administrative services to clients from a remote location. This could include managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling social media accounts. Websites like Zirtual and Belay connect virtual assistants with clients. To succeed as a virtual assistant, you need to be organized, reliable, and have excellent communication skills. Each of these freelancing avenues has its own set of requirements and challenges. However, they all offer the flexibility to work on your own terms and the chance to monetize your skills. Plus, with the right approach and dedication, they can provide a substantial income. Remember, freelancing isn't just about making money. It's about providing value. So find something you're good at, and more importantly, something you love doing. That's the secret to a successful freelancing career. Freelancing offers flexibility and the chance to monetize your skills. E-commerce is another lucrative way to earn money online. Let's start with dropshipping. It's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. There are several popular platforms for dropshipping such as Shopify and Oberlo that make it easier than ever to get started. Next up is print on demand. This is a business model where you work with a supplier to customize white-label products like t-shirts or mugs, with your own designs to sell them on a per-order basis under your own brand. This way, you don't have to spend any upfront capital on inventory. Companies like Printful and Printify can help you start your own print-on-demand business. Lastly, we have affiliate marketing, which is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank are some of the many platforms where you can find products to promote. One key to success in e-commerce is choosing the right product to sell. You'll want to pick something that you're passionate about, but also has market demand. A great way to find product ideas is to look at what's trending on social media or on e-commerce sites. Another essential element is marketing. You'll need to attract customers to your online store and convince them to buy your products. This could involve search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. Remember, while e-commerce offers great potential for profit, it also requires dedication and hard work. You'll need to invest time in researching products, setting up your online store, and promoting your products. With the right product and marketing strategy, e-commerce can be a profitable venture. Content creation is a powerful tool for earning money online. It's a realm where your creativity, skill, and passion can come together to not just provide value to others, but also generate income for you. Let's dive into it. First up, YouTube and video content. The world is consuming video content like never before, and YouTube is at the heart of this revolution. Starting a YouTube channel might just be the best decision you make in 2024. Your channel could be about anything: cooking, tech reviews, comedy sketches, educational content, you name it. The key is to create consistent, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. And how do you monetize it? Well, YouTube's partner program is a great place to start. You can earn money through ads, channel memberships, or even merchandise shelf if your channel meets the eligibility criteria. Next, let's talk about blogging and content writing. If you have a knack for writing, starting a blog could be your ticket to online earnings. You could blog about anything under the sun: travel, food, personal finance, health and wellness. The list is endless. And how does the money flow in? Through advertisements, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger make it easy to set up your blog and start publishing. Remember, consistency and quality are key here too. And here's a tip: SEO, or search engine optimization, is your best friend in the world of content creation. It helps your content reach more people by improving its visibility in search engine results. So, whether you're making videos or writing blogs, a good grasp of SEO can take your content and earnings to new heights. But remember, authenticity is crucial. Your audience can sense when you're genuine and when you're not. So find something you're passionate about and let that passion shine through your content. Your creativity can be your greatest asset in the world of content creation. So go ahead, create, and let the world see what you've got. Sharing your knowledge can also be a source of online income. Let's dive into the vast ocean of online tutoring first. Are you proficient in a certain subject? Or do you have a knack for teaching? Well, why not utilize these skills to earn online? Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, or even Skype are fantastic avenues to connect with students worldwide. The key to success here is to identify a niche that you're passionate about and competent in. It could be anything from math and science to coding or even a foreign language. The second facet of sharing knowledge is creating and selling online courses. This method provides a more passive income stream compared to tutoring. You create the course once and then sell it over and over again. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable are user-friendly and can easily host your courses. When designing your course, remember to make it comprehensive, engaging, and value-packed. Your course content should solve a problem or teach a desired skill. Lastly, let's talk about consulting services. Do you have a wealth of experience in a specific field? Perhaps in business, marketing, or even fitness? If so, you can offer your expertise through consulting. Platforms like Clarity.fm or LinkedIn can help you connect with clients who need your advice. When it comes to consulting, the secret sauce is to position yourself as an expert and build a strong personal brand. Do this by showcasing your achievements, providing testimonials, and consistently sharing valuable content. Remember, establishing yourself in online tutoring, course creation, or consulting won't happen overnight. It requires patience, strategy, and a relentless desire to provide value. But once you're there, the financial and personal rewards can be substantial. Your expertise can truly make a difference and earn you money in the process. Lastly, let's explore passive income streams. One of the most popular passive income streams today is investing in stocks and cryptocurrency. With online investing platforms, you can start with as little as a few dollars and grow your wealth over time. Remember, investing is not without risk, and it's crucial to do your research and perhaps even consult with a financial advisor. Another avenue for passive income is building and selling digital products. From ebooks and printables to software and apps, the digital marketplace is vast and varied. You might already have a skill or hobby that can be turned into a sellable digital product. There are numerous online platforms where you can sell these products to a global audience. Passive income streams require an initial investment of time, effort, or money, but once they're set up, they can provide a steady flow of income with minimal ongoing work. Passive income streams can provide financial security and freedom. We've covered 10 ways to earn money online in 2024. From freelancing opportunities like writing, graphic design, and virtual assistants, to the world of online selling and e-commerce through dropshipping, print-on-demand, and affiliate marketing. The power of content creation via YouTube, blogging, and even online courses and consulting, to the realm of passive income streams like investing in stocks and cryptocurrency, and selling digital products. These strategies are more than just options. They're opportunities waiting to be seized. They're your ticket to financial flexibility, personal growth, and the freedom to work from anywhere, anytime. Remember, the best method for you depends on your skills, interests, and dedication. So, explore these avenues, find what resonates with you, and start building your online empire today. Now it's your turn to take action and start your online earning journey.